In front of me is UMIDIGI G5 Tab, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. Begin by opening clock. Now click on alarm on the left at the top. And before doing anything, click on those three dots at the top right corner to select settings and manage all of those under alarms however you want to, like snooze. Then go back, and to create a brand new alarm, use this plus at the bottom right corner. Then set up an hour and hit OK. As you can see, new alarm was successfully added. Now you need to adjust it however you wish to. At the top, add label and save it by hitting OK. Then you can pick days of the week by tapping on the chosen ones. And to exclude some specific dates, use this plus icon next to pause alarm and pick a date you wish to exclude. Then choose OK to save it. And remove button right next to it to get rid of it. Following that, click on this little bell to pick a perfect sound for your alarm. You can download one of those sound platforms to use songs from the chosen one, or hit dismiss. If you want to use one of those platforms, click on a chosen one here, log in, and then use music from it. If you don't want to do that, select Sounds, click on Add New, and pick any song from your smartphone by clicking on it here. If you can't see it, select those three lines at the top left corner and look for it in one of those sources. You can also just tap on one of those melodies. Go back, click on this icon next to vibrate to disable or enable haptic feedback for this alarm, and this icon next to Google Assistant routine to add your alarm to it. Now to hide all of those options, click at the top left corner, top right corner, of your alarm. To turn it on or off, use this switcher next to it. To make any changes, click on this same icon and change whatever you want to. To get rid of it, you need to open its options and hit delete at the bottom left corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!